Hackers are targeting your Samsung Galaxy, but one simple trick could save you. Samsung says restart your phone daily to block zero-click attacks. Today on GadInsider, we're diving into this urgent advisory. Stick around to keep your device safe. GadInsider, your ultimate source for tech, gadgets, and security tips. Samsung just issued a major warning for Galaxy users. Restart your phone every day to dodge security threats. Sources report restarting your phone daily is the best defense against zero-click attacks. With Google flagging frequent Android vulnerabilities, let's break down why this matters. Zero-click attacks, like those exploiting WhatsApp or iMessage, infect your phone without any clicks. Daily reboots clear memory-based exploits, boost performance, and block hackers. Samsung suggests enabling auto-optimize daily for scheduling restarts and settings for ease. Google's warning about targeted exploitation and Samsung's push for critical updates show that the stakes are high. X-posts are buzzing. Users are shocked but ready to restart daily, especially after iPhones and Androids added auto reboots to thwart data extraction. Restarting also fixes lag and freezing, keeping your Galaxy smooth. With cyber threats rising, this simple habit could stop spyware like Pegasus, as per iVerify's Rocky Cole. Stay vigilant, check for odd battery drain or apps as signs of compromise. GadInsider fam, are you restarting your Galaxy daily yet? Drop your security tips in the comments. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay locked into GadInsider.